If you keep up with the stock market or investing at all, then I'm sure you've heard about the stock market crash that's happening right now. Well, for me, I've been investing for about 2 years now, and this is the first real crash that I'm experiencing. And today I'm going to talk about if I'm scared about it and if I think you should be as well. Of course, this is not financial advice, and as always, please invest with wisdom, research, and caution. So, as I've said, I've been investing for about 2 years now, and I've seen some great gains in those 2 years. The stock market in general has just been up, and I guess it makes sense that we're due for a crash, especially, everything that's going on with tariffs seem to be involved and that kind of thing. And I think for me, the timing's bad. Of course, you'll always hear that timing the market is not the way to go about it. It's time in the market. But, for me, I've been building this for 2 years. So I started from nothing, of course. And getting this number to where it is now is naturally going to make it more volatile, having a higher percentage of money in there. So, even though percentage-wise I'm still up, pretty well over these past 2 years, this past week has definitely seen a big, big dip for me, just because a percentage of my portfolio is a lot more than what it was 2 years ago. And I wouldn't say I'm scared. Of course, it's a little discouraging seeing that number go up so slow at the beginning, just to go down pretty fast now with this crash. And even though it's my first time experiencing a stock market crash, while being actually in the stock market, I've done enough research to know that this is going to happen, and the stock market will always have its ups and downs. But those ups definitely outweigh the downs in the long term. And my investment strategy is definitely long term. I'm not trying to make a quick buck overnight with a meme coin or anything like that. Just investing what I can and letting it grow over time. And I definitely think it's safe to say this won't be the last crash I see. And honestly, if it goes long enough, this could be the first bear market that I see. I was in a bull market pretty much the 2 years that I was in it, and this is just part of what happens when you invest. So of course, there's always a risk, and I'm definitely aware of that as an investor. But I do know that historically, if you look at investing in the long term, you'll always come out in the green. If you're making the right investments, not so much single stocks as compared to an ETF or a mutual fund. So yeah, I definitely know that this is going to be part of it. Even in this past week, I've actually invested more, and I see it as, quote unquote, buying the dip. Of course, as I said, time in the market is way better than timing the market. But whether it's red or green, getting your portfolio up there as much as you can has historically proven to be a pretty wise choice. And if this bear market continues, or the red numbers continue, the stock market continues to go down, I could definitely still see myself investing, and just knowing that I'll be actually getting these things at some pretty good value, because historically they've proven to go up over time, and I could definitely see that trend continuing. I also definitely plan to make a video of my portfolio, break it down for you guys, and show my investment strategy and what I plan to do for the long term. So if you'd like to see a video like that, definitely let me know down below. But yeah, if you're an investor, I would say don't be scared, don't panic. Of course, never invest money that you're not willing to lose. Be smart. Keep doing your research to, see why it is this market might be crashing, or why it might go back up. Make wise choices with it, all of that stuff. And one of the best ones that I know, even at this young age, is do it for the long term. Don't try to get rich overnight with this, because it could lead to a disaster. But yeah, as always, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.